So out here at MWC 2019, HMD Global has launched an absolute bugger load of new Nokia branded smartphones, and the most basic entry level version is this Nokia One Plus handset. It's going to be releasing in March globally and hopefully here in the UK as well for just $99, so basically you can expect a UK price of around 99 quid. It's quite a compact handset at just 5.45 inches, certainly compact in 2019 standards anyway. It's a polycarbonate frame, as you would expect at this sort of price level. It's got a nice etched design on the back, so that really helps with the grip, and it's available in this bold red colour as well as blue and black. And yes, you do get a 3.5mm headphone jack on there as well, lovely stuff. That 5.45 inch display is an IPS panel. It's not HD sadly, it's FWVGA+, so visuals aren't exactly super crisp, but the viewing angles are okay, and to be fair, on top brightness you'll clearly see what you're trying to do, even in bright outdoor conditions. The Nokia One Plus is an Android Go smartphone as well, which means you get a nice clean stock version of Android 9 Pie on there, fully up to date. And you can expect the latest security updates and system updates when they roll out as well. And because it's a nice stock version of Android as well, it's completely free of bloatware and other bits that really clog it up. Performance is quite basic though. It is a basic Mediatek chipset running in the show. For anyone who's curious, it's the MT6739WW. Sexy times. That's a quad-core platform running at 1.5 GHz. You do just get 1 gig of RAM stashed in there as well, which accounts for the rather stuttery performance. To be fair, it's reasonably smooth for a £100 smartphone, but of course apps will take a little while to load up. Even those optimised Go apps, which are designed to run on more basic smartphones such as the Nokia One Plus. As for the battery, it's a 2500 mAh, should hopefully keep you going all day long. And what about the camera tech? Well, you get an 8 megapixel rear camera with full autofocus and flash functionality, and there's a 5 megapixel front facing camera as well. As you'd expect, the camera app is very basic, very streamlined when it comes to the features and all the rest of it, but for just snapping everyday shots and sharing them with the family, it'll do the job. So that, in a very, very tight, brief nutshell, is the new Nokia One Plus handset. As I say, should be launching globally for $99, probably around £99, from March. Go check out my Nokia 3.2 and 4.2 handset coverage as well, slightly more premium than the Nokia One Plus, slightly upgraded performance and camera tech and everything as well. And you can see my full coverage on the Nokia 9 PureView over on Recombo as well, complete with this funky Pentalens camera. Cheers everyone, don't forget to subscribe and ding that notifications bell, and love you, bye!